Ever wondered why some YouTube videos keep you glued to the screen, while others have you clicking away after just a few seconds? Today, I'm revealing the secrets to making your scripts unforgettable with actionable steps you can implement right now. From research to using AI tools, these hacks will transform your videos from just okay to absolutely captivating. Stay tuned and get ready to take your script writing to the next level. Let's dive into the first script writing hack that will keep your viewers hooked from start to finish. Number 1. Crafting a compelling hook. The first 30 seconds of your video are crucial. This is when you need to grab your viewers' attention and give them a reason to stick around. A compelling hook might be a surprising fact, a bold statement, or a question that piques curiosity. For example, if you're making a video about fitness, you might start with, "Did you know that 80% of people abandon their fitness goals within the first month? Here's how you can be in the successful 20%. Read at least 5 blogs and watch several YouTube videos on your topic to see what hooks others use effectively. Identify what resonates with you and what falls flat. This will help you craft a unique and powerful hook for your video. Number 2. Storytelling structure. Humans are wired for stories. Incorporating a storytelling structure into your script makes your content more relatable and memorable. Begin with an introduction that sets the stage, followed by a conflict or problem that needs solving, and conclude with a resolution. For instance, if your video is about growing a YouTube channel, start with your own journey. When I first started on YouTube, I was lost in a sea of content, but then I discovered a strategy that skyrocketed my growth. This narrative arc keeps viewers engaged because they want to see how the story unfolds. Outline your script using the classic story arc: setup, conflict, and resolution. Draft a brief story that fits this structure before fleshing it out. This will give your video a natural flow and keep your audience interested. Number 3. The power of emotional engagement. Emotions drive action. To make your scripts unforgettable, tap into the emotional side of your viewers. Whether it's excitement, curiosity, fear, or inspiration, eliciting a strong emotional response can significantly boost engagement. For example, in a fitness video, instead of just listing exercises, talk about the emotional journey of getting fit. Imagine feeling more confident, having more energy, and loving the way you look in the mirror. Use vivid, descriptive language to paint a picture that resonates emotionally. Reflect on the emotions associated with your topic. Make a list of feelings you want to evoke and brainstorm phrases and stories that can trigger these emotions in your viewers. This preparation will help you connect with your audience on a deeper level. Number 4. Clarity and brevity. In the world of YouTube, clarity is king. Your script should be easy to follow and free of unnecessary jargon or filler. Get straight to the point and keep your language simple and direct. Break down complex ideas into easily digestible chunks. Use bullet points or numbered lists when explaining steps or concepts. For instance, if you're explaining how to optimize a YouTube channel, list the steps clearly. First, optimize your channel name and description. Second, create eye-catching thumbnails. Third, engage with your audience in the comments. After writing your script, read it aloud. This will help you catch any convoluted sentences or unnecessary details. Aim to explain each point as if you're speaking to someone who has no prior knowledge of the topic. Number 5. Visual and verbal sync. Great scripts are complemented by strong visuals. Whenever you write a script, think about how you can visually represent your words. If you're talking about a process, show it on screen. If you're discussing statistics, display graphs or charts. For example, in a video about YouTube analytics, don't just talk about click-through rates. Show your audience where to find these stats and how to interpret them. Use screen recordings to demonstrate steps in real time. This not only makes your content more engaging, but also more instructional and easier to understand. You can plan your visuals while writing your script. Write down notes on what visuals will go with each part. This way, your video will have a clear and interesting visual story that matches your spoken words. Number 6. Leveraging AI tools. AI tools can be incredibly useful for refining your scripts. They can help with grammar, style, and even suggest improvements to make your content more engaging. However, it's essential to write your initial draft yourself to maintain your unique voice and perspective. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to enhance your script. After drafting your script, use this prompt. Imagine you are a professional copywriter and YouTube scriptwriter. Now rewrite this 1,500-word YouTube script talking about. Here, put the title or the idea that you want ChatGPT to rewrite, write about it, or improve it. and make the first 30 seconds more hooky to ensure that the viewer watches the video till the end. This can help you refine your script while keeping your personal touch intact. If you're too lazy and prefer to have ChatGPT write the entire script for you, I've included a prompt in the description below. This prompt can help you use GPT or any similar AI tool to create scripts that appear professionally written. Number 7. Engaging call to action, or CTA. An engaging call to action is crucial for converting viewers into subscribers. Instead of simply saying, like and subscribe, give your viewers a compelling reason to do so. Tie it back to the value they've received from the video. If these tips have helped you improve your scripts, imagine how much more you can learn by subscribing. Hit that subscribe button and join Zed Wealth for more insider secrets on creating standout YouTube content. Try to personalize your CTAs. Invite viewers to comment with their thoughts or questions, fostering a sense of community. I'd love to hear your script writing challenges in the comments below. Let's help each other grow. Engaging CTAs not only prompt action, but also encourage interaction, which boosts your video's engagement metrics. Number 8. Editing for impact. The editing process can make or break your script's impact. Good editing enhances the flow of your video and keeps the audience's attention. Use cuts, transitions, and effects to emphasize key points and maintain a dynamic pace. Avoid long, unbroken shots unless they're necessary for the content. Instead, keep your edits tight and varied to maintain visual interest. If you're explaining a concept, cut between your face, relevant visuals, and text overlays to keep the viewer engaged. Experiment with different editing techniques. Try jump cuts, overlays, and background music to see what works best for your content. Pay attention to your video's pacing and make sure each segment flows smoothly into the next. Number 9. The perfect introduction example. Let's put these hacks into practice with an example introduction for a fitness video. Here's how you can hook your audience and set the stage. Are you tired of starting a fitness routine only to give up after a few weeks? What if I told you there's a way to stay motivated and actually enjoy working out? Today, I'm sharing the top 3 strategies to help you stick with your fitness goals and transform your body for good. This introduction opens with a common problem and promises a solution, immediately engaging the viewer. It's concise, emotionally resonant, and sets clear expectations for what the video will deliver. By following this structure, you can craft introductions that captivate your audience from the get-go. Before finalizing your introduction, test it out. Share it with a few friends or colleagues and get their feedback. Adjust based on their reactions to ensure it's as compelling as possible. Now you're equipped with powerful scriptwriting hacks and actionable steps to make your videos unforgettable. Remember to craft compelling hooks, tell engaging stories, evoke emotions, and use clear, concise language. Leverage AI tools, ensure visual and verbal synergy, use a strong call to action, and edit for maximum impact. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to Zed Wealth for more insider secrets on growing your YouTube channel. And don't forget to check out our previous video on the top 6 niches to start a YouTube channel. It's packed with ideas to get you started on the right foot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.